HighLevel just announced AI Employee, and they've done something absolutely insane. That is, they're giving it away for free until the end of the year, December 31st, 2024, for all active HighLevel users. I'm definitely taking advantage of it. I think you should take advantage of it as well. But in case you don't know quite yet what AI Employee is, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what AI Employee is, how you can utilize it for your business to be more efficient and more profitable, but more importantly, how you can sell it to other businesses, local businesses, for them to be more efficient, more profitable, and to pay you every month, increasing your monthly recurring revenue. So one other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give you access to my free trainings and free access to my coaching community where I do live weekly coaching calls helping people with their high-level business, as well as now the AI employee part of the business. So smash the like button and watch the video till the end so you can get all the details, how you can get the free stuff, and let's jump right in.
So let's talk about what AI Employee is and its pricing. So here we are in HighLevel's support portal, and you've got AI Employee. Now, AI Employee encompasses all of the AI tools. It's not just conversational AI, not just voice AI, not just funnel AI. It's all those things, right? So we have voice AI, we have conversational AI, funnels and website AI, content AI, reviews AI, and workflows AI. Now, I'm going to go over all these things and cover what they are, but they're all included in the pricing for HighLevel. So what is it? Right here, it talks about it is the suite that covers all of these things, the AI agents, conversational AI, reviews AI, funnel and website AI, so forth. And there's two different pricing models. There's price per usage and there's unlimited. So if you're a small user and you're not going to use it very much, well, then you might want to pay on the per usage price. And it tells you what it is: 13 cents per minute on voice, 2 cents per minute conversational, 8 cents per review. So on review AI, content AI, there's the pricing for that. Funnel AI, 99 cents per funnel, and so forth. Workflow AI assistant, 2 cents per request. And then there's unlimited. So if you're going to use the per usage, let's just say you're going to build one funnel, have a couple of texts, well, you might want to do the per usage. But if you really want to maximize this and use it, think about you've got all these phone calls coming in, you have AI answering these calls, the cost of that versus the cost to have an employee actually answering calls, right? It's clearly a no-brainer to get the unlimited plan, because not only do you have unlimited for the calls and unlimited for the conversational AI, but the other things as well, like reviews AI and content AI and so forth. So it's just $97 per sub account. And so, for example, if you think, is it $97 and it covers all the sub accounts in my agency? The answer to that is no. It is $97 per sub account. But I think you're going to find that it's well worth it. Now, not only that, the $97 is the base plan. Now, you could resell it to businesses, which is what I do and what I would recommend that you do. Let's say you resell it for $297 a month. Think about what it would cost a business to have an employee that is answering calls, answering texts 24/7. What would that cost? And AI never takes a break, right? No bathroom breaks, no holiday breaks, never sleeps. It is literally 24/7. Always accurate, always polite, always kind. What would it cost a business to have an employee that does that on call? It'd be a lot more than $297 a month. But you could charge them $297 a month, $397, $597, whatever you deem that it's worth it for your business, for your clients, and you only get charged $97 a month. So let's say you charge $297 a month, you're going to make $200 a month for every client you sell it to. You don't have to be on the SaaS Pro plan to do this. You can be on the starter plan that from HighLevel, which is $97 a month. So you have your starter plan, $97 a month, and then you have your unlimited AI, another $97 a month, and that's it. That's all you pay. Now you must have an active paid account with HighLevel in order to use AI, and in this case, to get the free AI employee promo that is through the end of the year. It's important to note you still have to pay for texting, right? So texting is separate than the AI charges itself. So if you're sending text, you're sending email, you still have your charges for that. But let's say you're sending Instagram DMs or Facebook Messenger. There's no charge for that. And the unlimited AI is going to respond to those as well. And that'll be free until the end of this year. Now, this is where you activate your AI employee. You go to your agency admin view and you go to Season of AI right here. And then you're going to scroll down and it says enter affiliate code. So I told you earlier, you can get my trainings for free. You can get free access to my community where we're going to be teaching and showing people more and more about AI employee and the various use cases and how you can use it in your business to sell it to local businesses. And this is an absolute no-brainer for local businesses to buy this from you to support their businesses. Think about when someone calls in the middle of the day, they call a business and someone answers. Well, someone else calls. What's going to happen? It's going to go to voicemail, right? Well, let's say 3 or 4 people call at the same time. Someone's on the phone. What's going to happen? It's going to go to voicemail and they're not going to get that answer. Well, with the AI voice agent, all those calls are going to get answered and they're going to get transferred where they need to get transferred. They're going to send booking links if they need to send booking links. You can literally set it up to do anything. And this is an absolute game changer for local businesses. And you can be the one to introduce it to them, sell them on it, and make easy recurring revenue from that. All you're going to do is you're going to go right here and you're going to type in AI-R and apply referral code. And so here's how this works. HighLevel is paying commissions for people to use an affiliate code. This is separate from the affiliate code for a normal HighLevel account. So let's say you're an existing HighLevel user and you're already under someone else and you're happy with them. That is great. You still remain under them as an affiliate. This is just affiliate for the AI employee. So it's free. They're not paying any commissions between now and the end of the year. But then starting in January, if you continue to use AI employee, and then by the way, right now, this is a great time to test it out, not only for your business, but to test it out, selling it to other businesses. And that's what I'm training. And that's what I'm showing people in the community. So by using my affiliate code, you're going to get access to that, free access to the community, free access to the trainings and ongoing. Take a screenshot and send that to me. Email it to levelup@prolificsas.com. That way we know to grant you access into the community. Okay, now once you've enabled Season of AI, now you're going to go down to reselling. So you're going to click right here, reselling, and you're going to scroll down to resell AI employee. Let's say, now HighLevel is going to charge you $97 per sub account. They've had a suggested offer of $127 a month. I think that it's worth $297 a month, easy, all day, every day for your customers. So you make $200 profit on every customer using the AI employee plus the sub account that you're selling them. Again, this is a no-brainer offer. You do that, you hit save, and now that is set up for your system settings. Now we're at the sub account level. We're going to activate the AI employee. So here we are in the sub account. We're going to go to Season of AI, and we're going to do opt-in for AI employee now. And so this is what you would do for sub accounts that are inside of your agency. Now you can charge from your location or do not charge from your location. And so what this says is, do you want to charge a certain amount for using AI employee feature from January 25th? You can edit how much you charge from the location or do not charge from the location. No money will be charged at the location level. Now, in this case, this is my own account, so I'm going to do not charge a location. But if you are charging from the location, then you're going to do that. So we're going to hit next and then select the plan and customize it to start charging from December 31st. So do I want to do the pay as you go? Right? And the pay as you go, as we mentioned earlier, is going to charge you this much per minute, this much per conversation on the texting, this much for reviews AI, this much for funnels, this much for content, and this much for workflow assistant or the subscription. Now I'm going to do subscription because we're going to be talking to a lot of businesses and it is absolute no-brainer for us to do this. So we're going to do $97 a month. We're going to click next and then do start using AI employee. Now, here we are in Season of AI, right? So we've got voice AI, conversational AI, reviews AI, funnel and website, content AI, and workflow assistant. I'm going to show you how that works. We're going to go through each one of those. The first one we're going to do is voice AI. And so let's go right here to set up voice AI. And just so you know where it takes you into settings and voice AI agent. So we're going to create our first agent. And this is so easy to do. Even if you don't have any digital marketing experience, you can come in here and do this in like 5 minutes. So we're going to name this person You know what? Let's name them Kate. And the name is Biz Dominant. So we're going to get rid of these asterisks. And we've got different voices. So currently, these are all the different voices that they have. And actually, I can see they've added more since just yesterday. They keep adding them. So I think there's about 100 more that they are planning to bring. So you'd go through here and find the ones you want. Samantha and team at Focus is pretty good. So we're just going to keep that. And if you wanted to hear what it sounds like, you could go ahead and hit play. And I'm going to put this on my speaker so you can hear what it sounds like.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
Right. Let's look at another one. What does Rebecca sound like?
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortune.
Let's find another one. Erecting confidence. Let's see what that sounds like.
We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the inner spirit.
Maybe not that one. I'm going to stick with, let's see, Millennial. What does this one sound like?
There is no failure except in no longer trying.
Okay. Why not? Let's go with that one. So we're going to use that voice. It's going to say, hey, you've reached Biz Dominance. How can I help you today? And then we're going to hit next. And then we've got aging goals. So we've got base mode and advanced mode. Right now, we're going to keep it on basic mode. And what do we want to do? We want to collect their name, email. I don't really want to collect their address. I don't really need that. Any issues, if we want to collect issues, we could do that. And then what we can do, and we'll show this in another training, is we can trigger different workflows to happen. So we can trigger to send them calendar booking links. We could send them a list of all the services we have. We could transfer to a manager if they are upset or anything like that. And then we can receive an email notification, post call. Next thing we're going to do is phone and availability. So we're going to choose the phone connected to this account. And so that's the phone connected to this account. And we could set working hours, right? So if we want to set working hours, in this case, I'm going to let this be on all the time, 24/7. And just like that, we've set up our voice agent. Okay, now that we've set up our agent, I'm going to come in here and edit it a little more, give it a little more training. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do agent goals. I'm going to switch to advanced mode. And as you can see, there's already a prompt that's in here. You are Kate, a dedicated customer service rep for Biz Dominance, focusing on assisting clients. Now, this base prompt will get you where you need to go, but you can add more to it. So if you want to add more prompting, give it more instructions, you could, but this one is already really, really good. And then we can transfer to another call. If we need to transfer to another call, we can trigger workflows, as I mentioned earlier. We can update contact fields, and I'm going to have more training on those. As you can see, HighLevel has already put a base prompt in here that is sufficient to help the customer out, and you can test it. So you can put in your number here, and if you're a US number, you're going to do +1, and then put in your number, and mine is 405. You know, I'm not going to put my number in here, but you put the number in, and you would hit call me, and it's going to call you and walk you through the scenario of how that agent is going to help you out or help out your customers. If you need to tweak anything, you can tweak anything from there. Now we're going to go to Conversational AI, and you'll see there's Conversational AI, this one, and then version 2. So the first version is actually being phased out. I think it's about a month from now, maybe, that's going to phase out, and it's all in V2. So if you're just starting, you might as well just jump right into version 2, and you're going to hit Create Bot. Now, if we go in here, as you can see, V1, I don't have anything. So let's just go right into version 2 and Create Bot. And so we're going to give the bot a name. I might call this Steve, and we're going to do bot training, right? So we're going to have the bot on autopilot. That way it answers any messages that come in, and you through whatever channel you want to come in. So they can come in through SMS or Instagram DM or Facebook Messenger or chat widget or live chat right from the website. So any engagement that comes in, Steve, the AI bot, is going to take care of it. Now, business name, you can put something in, but default is going to be the location name. So we'll just leave that blank. And also default, this is set up to start 2 minutes after engagement. So the reason HighLevel does that, I think, is probably because they want to give a human a chance to answer the text or reply to the live chat that comes in. And so for me, since I'm busy doing other things, I want AI to handle it all. I'm going to change that to 2 seconds. And that way, someone texts in, someone sends a live chat in, Steve, the AI bot, is just going to take right care of it. I'm going to do the maximum number of messages to 20 because why not? It's the season of AI and it is free. So, and even beyond that, I've got the unlimited plan that'll go past that. So I want to make sure that we get all of the customers' questions taken care of, and then send the bot to sleep manually through a workflow. We could do that, and we'll say after 2 hours. So It'll send it to sleep 2 hours after a manual message has been sent. And then we're going to go to bot training. And here we can crawl a website. So let's say that I've got bizdominance.ai. So I'm going to say get data. And so what it's doing right now is the bot is going to the BizDominance site. It is scraping all that information. And it could be a small site like mine, or you could go to a massive site like, I don't know, ups.com or whatever. And it's going to scrape that site and grab all the information. And that way the bot can speak to that. It could be a customer service bot, an FAQ bot, answer any questions that someone is asking based on the knowledge base that you're adding. Now, for more advanced, you could also upload a link, and I'm going to have more training on that, where you can do an entire knowledge base in a Google Doc and then do a share link from that Google Doc and add it here, and it'll give the bot more information to feed off of to answer questions for people. And then you can test your bot. So if you want to type a question here and ask a question and test the bot, then the bot is going to engage back and forth. So let's just say, what do you do at BizDominance? And we'll hit send, and you'll see the bot response. Hey there, BizDominance, we help track your progress, set up campaigns, distribute leads, get inbound calls, manage your communications, and more, all in one place. Say, awesome. How can I get a demo? For a demo, use our platform to book an appointment, experience how we can help you close more deals efficiently, right? So you can see, you can test your bot, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything to test your bot as much as you want to make sure that it's answering things that you want. And if you wanted to customize the bot, so you say, add a question, add an answer, right? You could type in a question, type in how you want it to answer, further training the bot. It's so simple and easy to use. Now we're going to go to bot goals. Now in bot goals, there are prompts that are already put in here by HighLevel. So the personality prompt is already there. Your intent is here and additional information. And you can customize this further if you want, but frankly, you can use HighLevel's and it's already really good. We're going to have more training on this in the communities that you're going to get free access to once you use my promo code AI-DAR. And so we're going to have ongoing trainings on how you can further develop the training of your bot to just make it as amazing as you can for your business and for your customer business, right? Another thing is you can do appointment booking, so you can select a calendar that you want it to book on and more. Now we're going to go back to Season of AI, and we're going to go to Workflow Assistant AI. And this is really cool. So let's say you're going to start a new workflow and you're going to start from scratch. And maybe, you're just not as familiar with workflows as some people more experienced might be. And so you're like, oh, how do I do this? You come down here, you click on AI, and you have two different choices. Number one is you can have the AI help you create a workflow, or you can decipher a workflow that someone has already sent. So let's say that maybe you're an existing HighLevel user. You've gotten a snapshot from someone. You're like, oh, this is a great snapshot and it has these workflows, but I don't really know what's happening here. You could click describe this workflow, and it's going to tell you what the workflow is about. Now, in this case, it's probably going to say you haven't even started one yet. Certainly, here's a simple rundown: name, status, draft mode. Wow, it's actually analyzing this. It is saying, here's the name. We haven't named it yet. And it's saying it is currently in draft mode. Very, very cool. So let's say assist with building a workflow. I'm going to say, I want to build a nurture sequence for a lead who has filled out a form. How do I do that? And so we're going to ask AI how to do it. I mean, this is going to blow your mind. And I can see a future down the road where you just say, do this, and it builds the whole workflow for you. You can see what it's done is it's telling you exactly what to do. You need a trigger that says form submitted. You need an action that sends welcome email. You need a wait step. You need another action, another condition, a path. Like essentially it's giving you the entire recipe on what to do. Not only that, but then it's giving you these different actions. So you could click right here and you can see this is highlighting. You click there and it's going to do your email. You can say, I want to add the wait step. It's going to wait. It's really amazing what's going on with this AI workflow. Again, more trainings on that in the communities. So now we're going to go to Funnels AI. So we're going to sites, and we're going to do a new funnel, and we're going to use Funnel AI and hit continue. So what is the business for a lab? Select industry. We're going to say pet. Let me see. Pet adoption, pet boarding, pet cemetery. We're going to pet groomer, and we're going to hit next. Okay, I am looking for a funnel for my pet groomer business to generate more leads, and content should feel friendly. Now I'm going to hit generate. This is going to take a few minutes because it's building a funnel website from scratch. But as you can see, I just had to answer a couple of questions. Now it is building the funnel for me. You don't have to build it yourself. So check that out. We have a site that has been created by AI. You've got a header, you would change your logo out here. Now it's not perfect, but it is a great start for building a website or building a funnel landing page for your business or for your clients' businesses. You have the navigation, change out your logo, change out your copy. And actually, let's say you want to go into the copy, you could have AI rewrite that for you if you wanted to update it. But as you can see, it does an amazing job of, frankly, building something out for you right off the bat. It's got reviews, Q&A, footers, populate your location name, location phone, location address, social buttons that you can link to. So it is really, really cool what they're doing with Funnel AI as well as Workflow AI and all of them. So now we're going to move on to Reviews AI. Okay, so now we are in AI reviews. So you're going to go to settings for the sub account, reputation, and then you can have them turned off or suggestive or auto response. I would suggest leave it on auto response. And then you're going to choose the platform that you want it to reply on. So whether you're doing Google reviews or Facebook reviews, and then from there, the auto responses are going to be sent, right? So you're going to select the star rating that you want them sent to, or you could just send it to all. I would do all because frankly, most businesses are going to get great reviews and the AI is going to just generate a response and say, hey, thanks for leaving us a great review for our business. We're so glad you enjoyed it. And then if someone leaves a not great review, AI is going to respond to that as well. We're sorry that your experience wasn't what we had hoped. It's going to respond intelligently. Now, here's why this is important. Google rewards businesses that engage with Google. Google wants to be a good search engine that shows prospects what they are looking for, a product or service that appears to be trusted in the space. That is highest and most reviews. Not only do they want businesses getting reviews on a regular basis, but they want businesses to respond to those reviews. Businesses that not only get reviews, but then respond to those customers and tell them thank you for leaving a review. And like I said, Google rewards the businesses for doing that. So it's definitely something you want to do. And it's, again, a no-brainer for local businesses who are really busy just trying to run their business and may forget to respond to those reviews, and AI is just going to do it for them. So there you have it, an overview of HighLevel's AI employee that they've just released, and it is free till the end of the year as long as you are an active user on HighLevel. After the end of the year, it's either a pay-per-use model or unlimited use on the $97 a month per sub account, which then you can mark up and profit from as you sell it to other businesses. For me, that's the no-brainer way to go. Now, if you want access to my trainings on AI and you'd like access to my community where I do coaching every week, and we're going to be doing more and more coaching on AI and how we can use it in our businesses and to sell to local businesses, then all you need to do is when you sign up for the AI employee, use the affiliate code AIDAR. Send me a screenshot that you've done this, and we're going to get you access into the community that has not just weekly coaching, but all my assets and courses that I've sold for thousands of dollars. You're going to get access to that for free, plus a community that people pay monthly for. Again, you're also going to get that for free. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about AI employee or HighLevel, leave them in the comments below. Maybe there's something I didn't cover or something that you have additional questions on. Yeah, leave them in the comments. I'm going to go through the comments and answer every question personally. Make sure that you get the help and support you need. Like I said, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you use my affiliate promo code, I'm really grateful, and you're going to get a lot of support from me and my team to help you out with that. We are on the cutting edge of what is happening with AI inside of HighLevel. We're really connected to their team and know the things they've got coming down the pipe. It's really, really exciting. I promise you, jump right in. You will be so glad that you did, and you'll be ahead of the curve of this amazing gold rush of an opportunity to provide this for local businesses. So until the next video, I'll see you later. I'll see you on the inside. And if you haven't already, by all means, subscribe to the channel and smash a like on this. smash a like. Yeah, I'd be grateful. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any additional questions about AI employee or HighLevel, leave them in the comments. If there's something that I didn't cover that maybe that you'd like to know about, again, leave them in the comments. I answer every comment and I'll be sure and get back to you on that. Listen, we are deep into this with HighLevel. We are all in on HighLevel and AI employee. I know a lot of the things they've got coming up, and we're so excited to continue to share that in our trainings and in our live weekly coaching calls in the community. So I've already shown you how to get access to that. I look forward to seeing you on the inside and on the next video. See ya. Bye.